Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut PC application, and as you can see I have created a project on my CapCut PC. And for example guys, I'm going to remove watermark from this video. I'm going to add the video to the timeline. Okay, and I'm going to remove this watermark from my video. Okay, if I want to remove watermark, we need to duplicate our video. I'm going to right click on my video, and then I'm going to select copy, and I'm going to paste it. Alright, and then we're going to use mask to remove watermark from our video. So I'm going to go to the mask option, and then we can choose the shape of the mask we want to apply. And I'm just going to choose the circle mask, and we can adjust the size of the mask and also the position. And take another part of your video to cover the watermark. And for example, I'm going to take this part because this part will be suitable to cover it. And then we can go to the basic, and then we can drag the mask like this to cover watermark on our video. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, now it's done guys, and the watermark has been removed from my video. And to make it more natural, I recommend you to go to the adjustment, and then you can adjust the brightness or the contrast to make it more natural. And I'm just going to adjust the exposure just a little bit. I'm going to increase it. Okay, now it's done and natural, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from our video on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!